So just opening up my new Michelangelo frying pan. It looked really nice on Amazon, so I'm just going to have a look and see if it looks as nice in real life. Get the tape off it and pull it out. There we are, and yes, it does look pretty good. It's got those nice wood look handles on. They're actually plastic, but they do look quite good and they feel quite nice as well. And there's the lid. It's shipped without the knob because with the knob on it would be too tall to go into the frying pan, and the knob's separate in the box in this piece of cardboard packaging. So I just did it up finger tight out here, and later on I got a screwdriver on it and tightened it up a bit more, because obviously you don't want the handle falling off the lid while you're cooking. Yeah, you get your two little bits to put together and you fit it on top of the lid, and then there's a screw and a washer that you need to use as well. So I'm just sticking it through and doing the knob up by hand, finger tight, and lining everything up and so on. And then, as I say, later on I did use a screwdriver to tighten it up. Now these plastic knobs and handles, which all match, they do look quite good, they feel quite nice, and they don't particularly seem to get hot while you're cooking with it, but obviously, as with all things, you need to take care the first few times you use it to find out how it behaves. And there's the frying pan itself. There's some more instructions inside about washing and so on. It's a ceramic coating and it's a thermocore base, so it's got a thick, heavy base, so you can use it on a thermocore cooker. We don't have one of those. We've just got a normal ceramic top with heating elements underneath, but still, it means it heats more evenly and works quite well and so on. So there it is, all sitting there quite nicely. The lid's a fairly loose fit, but it's good when you're actually cooking. Steam can escape through the vent in the lid and also slightly around the edges maybe. You need to be careful putting your hands near any pan when they're cooking because they can get quite warm. And there you are, there's the lid fitting on. You can see it's just a nice loose fit.
Yes, as you can now see, they did need to ship it with the lid, with the handle detached, because it's too tall to fit in the frying pan when the handle's on it. There we are, just starting off a evening meal of fried sausages with the things that are going with it, some celery and onions, and a little bit of just a little bit of fat on the non-stick surface as per normal. Looks like it's doing quite well. Nice thick base means it heats evenly, and the plastic bits are staying nice and cool, but obviously if you actually touch the lid, that would be warm. Plastic bits are staying nice and cool, but if you touch the lid, that would be warm, and obviously the side of the pan will be as well.